What steps do I need to follow for downloading HDFC Passbook front page?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how you can download the HDFC Passbook front page. HDFC Bank allows its customers to access their passbook online, making banking more convenient and accessible. Follow these easy steps to get your digital passbook.
Is it possible to download HDFC Passbook front page?
To begin with, it's important to know that the exact front page of your HDFC passbook cannot be downloaded as per the bank's rules and regulations for maintaining security and confidentiality. However, you can access your E-Passbook, which contains similar information, including account details, transactions, and more. So, for the purpose of this guide, we'll be discussing how to access and download your HDFC E-Passbook.
What do you need?
Before we get into the process, you should be prepared with the following. 1. Registered net banking account. Make sure you've an active net banking account with HDFC. If you don't have one, visit your nearest HDFC bank or use their official website to register. 2. HDFC mobile banking app. The E-Passbook can be accessed through HDFC's official mobile banking app. Make sure it's installed on your smartphone.
Steps to download HDFC E-Passbook.
Here are the steps to download your E-Passbook. 1. Open HDFC mobile banking app. Start by opening the HDFC mobile banking app on your smartphone. 2. Log in. Use your customer ID and password or quick access PIN to log in. 3. Navigate to Accounts. On the home screen, you'll see an option titled Accounts. Click on it. 4. Choose Passbook. Under the Accounts tab, you'll find an option called Passbook. Click on it. 5. Select the relevant account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the account for which you want to access the passbook. 6. Download E-Passbook. After selecting the account, you'll see an option to Download E-Passbook. Click on it. Your E-Passbook will be downloaded in a PDF format. Please note that this E-Passbook will contain your account's transaction history and details, but it may not look identical to the physical passbook's front page. And that's it. That's how you can access and download your HDFC E-Passbook. We hope you find this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to HDFC's customer service. They are always ready to help you. Happy banking!